How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Exciting day. We have finally after 3.5 years, the Skyline is painted. Well, not 100% painted. The body of the car and the rear bumper, the doors and stuff, they're painted. But we can get the car back. That's a good thing. I can start putting the interior back in, finishing the engine, because we still haven't started the thing, as you guys know if you've been following along. And yeah, we got the seats and all that to fit. They're not here yet, but hopefully they'll be in a couple of days so we can bang them in. But I haven't even seen the car yet. I got a phone call when I was at work today. As you can see, I'm still at work, just finished, saying that the car's ready. So he's dropped it off at the garage. The recovery company picked it up from the paint shop, dropped it off at the garage, and it's been sat there ever since, waiting for me to finish work to go and see it. So I'm going to bring you guys along. I'm going to show you it as I see it when I'm driving around the corner, because Alan, the owner of the garage, has left it outside. So let's get up there and have a look at this car. You don't even know what colour it is yet, do you? Oh, you'll see. Let's get up there. Okay, guys, not far now. About 5 minutes and we'll be there. But if you've been following along for a while and you follow me on Instagram and stuff, I posted up something saying, what colour do you think I should paint the car, guys? And you all voted. I had, well, let me tell you now, it's a little clue before we see it. The colours I had up there were Midnight Purple, the classic R33 colours, and Bayside Blue, well, Lamborghini Monterey Blue. I was going to do it. It was a pretty much split, 50-50 between purple and the blue. And obviously, having to wait so long for the paint, I've changed my mind a few times. And those two colours, that even if you did vote for whatever colour you wanted, it's not any of them. So it's an original Nissan colour, but it was a limited edition. Little hints here. It was a limited edition for the Skyline. I think they made. I read it ages ago. I didn't paint this colour because it's a limited edition. I just like the colour. But they made like 97 or something. I think I read of this version. So, but I didn't paint it because of that. I just painted it because I like that colour. So yeah, it's a little hint there before we see it. But we're almost there now. Be patient. I've been waiting 3.5 years. You haven't been waiting that long. More corners. You ready, guys? Get out of the way, Laurie. Oh, hang on. Okay, guys, round this corner we will reveal the new colour. I'm probably nervous for some reason. Right. Sneak peek here, what we got. Ah, there it is. Look at John touching it. Don't touch it. Right, let's get closer up and I'll give you a little show. There it is. It is Champion Blue we've gone for. Looks awesome. Obviously you've got to use your imagination a little bit because the whole car's not finished, you know. Just imagine it with a back spoiler on, boot, front quarters. Remember we got the I think they're 40mm wider than the stock front fenders. GTR front bumper will be, need to give it a go clean because it's been in the body shop for so long. But yeah, I love the colour. I've never actually seen this colour in real life, you know, just on Instagram. The paint is nowhere near perfect, but at the minute I can give it a wet sand obviously later on once it was only painted yesterday, I think, so you have to let it dry and then you can start wet sanding and stuff, I believe. Not that I'm an expert at this stuff, but what I'm a bit worried about is there's a scratch right there. It looks pretty deep and you can't really start trying to buff stuff out. I mean, I'll speak to a detailer, see what they say, but if they can't buff it out, then this door will be getting repainted. But yeah, I love the colour. Those GTR over fenders, look. Damn. But yeah guys, let me know in the comment section down below what you think of the colour. Obviously it'll look 10 times better when the whole car's complete, but yeah, happy man. So yeah, I brought it up here because we still need to get the brake lines finished. We've got 3/4 of them done. We've got the front left basically going to the master to finish. The fuel lines are still not buttoned up properly. They're all fitted, they just need to be bolted to the bottom of the car pretty much. They're just dangling there, but I just basically rigged it all so that I could start the car. But now it's a lot closer to being complete. Maybe another week or two max for the bumpers, and then we can put all them back on and it will actually start looking like a car. The seats, another 2-3 days maybe. VIP Motorsports, I bought them bad boys from some, I don't want to spoil everything, but a nice set of Brahms we've got coming. We've got a new bonnet coming, big finishes of fibre. Obviously that's not going to be painted because we want to show the carbon fibre right off. But yeah guys, that's it. I love it. Two sat there, Japanese and German cousins. Look at these two. But I know you're not supposed to get the thing wet for like a month or so at least, so I'm just going to give it an air out, all the dust, because it's covered in dust from being in the body shop for like months. I'm going to give the wheels a good old wash as well, because they're brand new and they're covered in dust and they look funky. Just make it look a little bit better until we start working on it. But yeah, not much. Using this stuff, waterless wash on the old rays. If you haven't seen the my wheel reveal video, go check it out. But yeah, with some monster fitment of these Federal RS semi-slick things, they look better when they're clean. I'll clean them and then show you, eh? So you guys know anyway, we got new rear discs to go on here, but I didn't want to put them on because they probably would have painted them. But as you can see, this wheel, this is the worst out of all four of them. This is not dust like I thought it was, it's primer. So I'm gonna have to get some cutting compound on that and polish these out. Brand new wheels, thanks LA Body Works. Yeah, so the problems we got with this so far is we got overspray on the wheels, which ain't that big of a deal, you know what I mean, I can polish it out. And that big scratch, wow, it's not a big scratch, the scratch on the door. But other than that, you know, we got small like little dust particles and stuff in it, but polish it out hopefully. But yeah, I'm happy still. This is not dust either, this is like, I think filler. They fillered my wheel, my tyres. Yeah, I can't get all that off. Even though I give them my old crusty wheels to put on the backs for when they paint it, they still managed to, well, obviously they didn't bother because probably we had to take off some wheel nuts and swap the wheels over to do that, and it would have been too much effort, so they just left them on, I think, and painted them whitish. Oh well, can't have it all, can ya? Still happy, still happy. Looks a bit better with the wheels all cleaned up. I mean, it's not a proper clean, but The front one's going to be a lot better because they weren't really molested like the others, the rears. Yes, like it. Yeah, by far this is the worst wheel. Even the tyre. We'll fix it though, we'll fix it. Can't rely on anyone, can we? Yeah guys, if you're in the Plymouth area and you want your car painted, and you've got a spare, you know, 3.5 years, Ali Bodyworks is the place to go. They'll paint it in 3.5 years. They'll also fill your car with dust. But other than that, they're pretty good. Brand new again. Bit of there. I'll show you afterwards. Check out this security system. Oh yeah. We're in. I'll clean all that out, shall I? No. Installing all the rubber seals around the doors. We don't scratch the paint. This one is not too bad. This one, what I've been scrubbing, must have been in the bucket of rusty parts because even the rubber has gone rusty. But I'll scrub it up, get it looking brand new again, and stick it in. So we can only doing this now because the doors are slamming. It can dent you can scratch the paint obviously, so I can get these bad boys on. Just get scrubbing. Tucked away for the night. Get back on it tomorrow. Reassembling some more trims and stuff like that. Nothing exciting at the minute. Right guys, there you go. The car is painted. It'll look 100 times better when all the panels are on and all that, but we'll wait for that week or two hopefully. But if you're liking the build, like and subscribe to the channel because we've got loads more to do. All the bits I've got to get put back on it. Bonnet, all the interiors going in, nice stereo, double dim we got, Apple CarPlay and all that. So it's going to be a nice little GT car. Let me know what you think of the colour down below in the comment section. Champion blue the colour is. Yeah. I'll be grafting on this car now every time I got a day off, so lots of content coming. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Ciao.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head.